everyone. Today we're going to continue our investigations on sound. Last time we learned that vibrations create sound. We saw different items vibrate in different ways, creating new sounds. Today we are going to discuss how sound travels. Now, sound needs a medium to travel through. That medium could be air, it could be water, or a variety of other substances. What I have here is a sound hose. What you can see is all these ridges. I can have air travel through this hose. Right now we don't hear anything because the air is traveling, but it's traveling very slow. Let's see what happens if I can get fast air to travel through my hose. Do you hear that? Sound is made by these vibrations. The air is going through here, and as the air hits these ridges, we hear the vibrations. How do we prove that we need the air for sound to travel through? Well, I'm gonna plug it up. Let's see. No more sound. The sound cannot travel if it doesn't have a medium to travel through. The air can no longer go through. It's not bouncing anymore. No more sound. Let's try it again. Air traveling through. No air traveling through. Now that we know that sound is created by vibrations, and we also know that it needs a medium to travel through, let's see if we can see some vibrations. What I have here is a rubber band. Rubber bands are great for visualizing vibrations. Can you hear the sound it makes? You can hear and see the vibration. Vibration in slow motion. Pretty cool, right? We're going to use some of the items from your enrichment bag to make a musical instrument. Not so musical though, more like a noisemaker. From your enrichment bag, you will need one note card. You will need a tongue depressor or a very large popsicle stick, piece of string, rubber band, double sticky foam tape, and you will need to provide scissors. The first thing you need to do is you will need to cut out 2 triangles from the tops of this note card. That's 1. And 2. Next, you will take your double-sided sticky foam and cut it in half, creating 2 long rectangles. The next thing you're going to do is take your tongue depressor and place it on the straight edge of your note card, and you can take your sticky tape and open it up, peel it, place one on the top and fold it over. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. As I peel it away, I'm going to stick it on this side as well. Then I will bring in my piece of string, loop it through, down and under and over, and bring enough out to be able to make a knot. Trim off the edge. And then we will add our secret ingredient, the rubber band. I'm going to place it over one side and stretch it over to the other side. Now that it is done, we have to put it to the test. We are going to spin it in one direction and see the sound that it makes. Did you hear that? Vibrations from the rubber band, noise traveling through the air. Let's try it again. Not quite a musical instrument, but it does make sound. Sounds kind of cool too. Now that you've made your noisemaker, I want you to think about how you can improve it. How can you change it? Well, I told you the materials to use today. Gave you the note card, gave you the popsicle stick, gave you the rubber band. What could you change? How can you make it louder? How can you make it sound a little bit different? What are some things that we could change? What about the note card? I had you cut it in a certain shape. You could have changed that. I wonder what would happen if we didn't cut it at all. Wonder what would happen if you cut it a little bit differently. What would happen if you changed the rubber band? Used a different size rubber band? What if you changed the materials altogether? What about the string? Do you think that made a difference? Go ahead and try this. I can't wait to see what yours look like and see if you can make it even better, make it even louder. Good luck.